Time to raise a glass because today is World Margarita Day, but if you want a slightly different way to celebrate, why don't you try this margarita-inspired dessert with salted meringue and lashings of tropical lime curd. Oh my
Here
God.
to show us how is my kitchen rules fave, Arrnott, Olssen. Hello.
Hello.
Where do we start? I'm going to say meringue might be a good place.
Now, I've got some ready here to pipe. It's really easy to make. This is just whipped egg whites and sugar. You just need to add your sugar really slowly, and then once you've got it in the bag, we're just going to pipe it, just slowly.
Easy for you to get it in the bag, not so much once you got it in the bag.
And then you want to get it right up the top, and then just squeeze it in and create your little nest. Now,
that looks awesome.
It goes in the oven. First, it's preheated at 180, then you turn it down to 130, and then about 45 minutes.
Is that easy to make meringue?
That easy to make, but if you don't want to make it, you can always buy it. So everything's in the supermarket now. It's a good little hack.
Yeah. Okay. How long was it at the high temperature for?
High temperature is just while you're preheating, so about 5 to 10 minutes.
Oh, and it's all
And then you bring it down to 130, because if it's too high, it'll cook too quickly and it will burn, but not sort of cook through.
Let's assemble one. Next step, we're going to get involved with curd, right?
Okay, so here's the beautiful lime curd. Now, the lime curd, you've got to make it at home because a lot of times you can't find it in the shop, and it's really easy. It's lime zest, the juice of 3 limes, and 2 whole eggs and 2 egg whites. That's it. And then you just beat it in the... You've got to be careful on the stove because a lot of times people forget it and then it cooks too quickly. Take it on and off the stove.
Okay.
Once it starts to bubble, you take it right off and then you add your butter.
So
now, you don't want to do what I've done here.
Okay, that looks absolutely awesome. I mean, so where's the margarita sort of vibe coming into
So we've got some Cointreau in your cream, and not a lot, just a teaspoon in sort of that sort of big bowl of cream, but it just adds that flavour of the oranges that you get in the margarita. And if you wanted to, you could add a little bit of tequila in your curd as well.
Oh, okay. And you're adding coconut cream.
I added a little bit of coconut cream, just a touch to the cream, just to give it a little tropical vibe.
Let's put this together and see how.
How do we assemble?
So beginning with this, we're going to add a little lime curd first.
What is that?
This is just the whipped Cointreau cream.
Cream, yeah.
Add in your lime curd to the bottom.
Is this an individual serve? Because this is...
Well, it would be for you, Kylie.
This might be one to share, I think.
That'd be the first of 3, Dal.
Yeah.
This is one of those share ones, I think. Then you break up your beautiful meringue, salted meringue, into the glass.
Hey, that's a good idea, Arrnott. I would have thought you would put everything into the meringue.
I was going to say, yeah, that way it's easier to scoop up, because like, if you have a look at it,
it's great.
That's right.
Add that, then you're going to add a little bit of lime curd on top of that again, because you want that layers of colour.
Layer up a layer, okay.
So cream, curd, meringue, curd, and then
cream, and then top up with some...
Now, while you finish that up, talk us through your exciting new project.
Oh, yes. I've got a lovely little collab coming up with the folks at Deus Ex Machina, and it's a little pop-up that's going to be there on April the 13th.
So I never know how to say that.
I got it wrong and I got corrected.
It's that motorcycle brand.
Deus Ex Machina.
So I'm going
to go there for some food and accidentally buy another motorbike.
Yes, motorbike,
Okay, fine. It's all right. I love that.
And there are some fine little touches you can maybe add. You can
a little bit of lime zest into it.
Lime zest, maybe top off. So I love this. This is a share, or you can do individual ones.
Yes, you can, Kylie.
Yeah.
And then the little touches of the little kisses, meringue kisses, are always nice on the top of it as well.
Or you've actually bought the big meringue base, so you can do a big one.
Make a big one out of it, and you could have a pavlova meringue. A pavlova...
Margarita meringue.
Yeah.
Well, as we say goodbye, where every day on the morning show is Margarita Day.
Cheers.
Congratulations. Thank you, mate. Lovely to see you.
Thank you.
As always, yum. You can find the full recipe over on our website. You right?
Yeah, I said
that was just a prop. And information about Arrnott's upcoming Kana Club.
Yes,
Kana Club. That sounds good. I might see you there. Thank you, mate.
We're back after this.